Strike up a conversation, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase that you might have heard quite often. Strike up. Understanding phrases like this one is a fantastic way to sound more natural in English. So, if you're ready to add another phrase to your vocabulary arsenal, keep watching. When we talk about strike up, we're often referring to the start of something, usually a conversation or a piece of music. It comes from the old verb, to strike, which means to hit or to start abruptly. Imagine striking a drum to start a beat or striking a match to light a fire. That sudden action is the essence of strike up. In everyday English, you might hear someone say, I struck up a conversation with someone on the bus, or let's strike up a tune on the guitar. These phrases mean to start talking to someone usually in a spontaneous manner or to begin playing music. It suggests the beginning is informal, unplanned, and possibly quite lively. The phrase, strike up, can be varied slightly, depending on the context. For instance, strike up a relationship. This implies starting to develop a friendship or other social connection. Strike up a deal. Here, it suggests initiating a business agreement or negotiation. Strike up a chat. A more casual way to say initiating a small talk with someone. To use strike up correctly, it should be followed by a noun or a gerund. Verb plus ing. For example, correct. He struck up a lively discussion about politics. Incorrect. He struck up to discuss about politics. It's interesting to note that strike up is used quite often in American and British English, but it might not be as common in other varieties of English. Knowing when and how to use phrases like this can really show a deep understanding of the language and its cultural nuances. And there you have it. You're now more familiar with how to use the phrase, strike up. Try striking up a conversation in English using this new phrase, and see how it goes. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations is key to mastering them. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.